horrific sound. Earplugs weren't working, pillow over my head wasn't working, so I ended up going and sleeping in the floor of our closet.
I didn't believe her at first until she recorded me and played it back.
I had tried nasal strips, nasal spray, throat spray.
Is the new breakthrough in science, guaranteed to stop your snoring the moment you place it in your mouth. While you sleep, the muscles in your mouth and throat relax, blocking your airway and causing that dreadful snoring sound. Zypa RX is the only device with breakthrough Z-Flex technology. It redirects the airflow, stopping snoring the very first night you use it, guaranteed. It's the miracle you've been waiting for.
It folds right to your mouth. It fits very comfortably.
The very first night that Juan used the Zypa is the first time in 8 years that we slept a whole night through.
The rest of the next day, it's made a huge difference.
This is the sound I used to hear. Yes, but thanks to Zypa, I don't hear that anymore.